You have just received a new form submission. What's next? Are you still struggling with manually sending emails, updating your team, and sending a confirmation email to your submitter? I'll show you how Paperform's custom emails can manage your post-submission communication automatically. G'day, Alex here from Paperform, and in this video, we are going to explore Paperform's custom emails. To set this up, head to After Submission Emails, where your custom emails will live. But firstly, you, the account owner, want to be notified about the submission. Well, by default, the email address associated with your account, which you can check and change by heading to your account settings, will receive an email summary on submission, unless you disable this by toggling it off. Note that this will only be disabled for this form. Now, to notify your submitter or anyone else, select the Add Email button, and you can set up your first custom email. You can manually include the emails you wish to be recipients in the To field, as long as you separate multiple with a comma, or use the CC and BCC fields, of course. But you need to send an email to your submitter. So to include the submitter's email address, you need to have an email or multiple choice question type. Trust me, a text field just won't work. To use the submission data in your email, select this icon to the right of a field and a drop-down will appear. For the To field, select your email question. And if you want to pull in multiple, you can. Just ensure you separate these with a comma. Do the same for the subject field, using your submitter's responses to personalize the subject. Work your way through the rest of the fields. Please note that setting the From address can affect your email deliverability. If you run into any issue with your custom email setup, just hit the chat icon and one of our expert support team members will be ready to lend a hand. You can configure the content of the email from this dropdown and include a submission summary or receipt of payment from these here. If you are creating a custom email message, click in this box and start typing away, including a greeting, and of course, take advantage of answer piping and pull in your submitter's responses to personalize the email by selecting this icon here. That is not only so they read your message, but they feel appreciated and valued, and you leave a lasting impression. While it would be impossible to email everyone manually, with email automation, it only takes a small task of creating the email and then setting it on autopilot. You can also upload an attachment file here. Also, you are able to attach custom PDFs, which you can also auto-generate from your after submission actions. Just make sure to check out the article linked in this video to learn more, or hit up one of our support team members. Lastly, you can enable email logic at the very bottom of the page so that this email only sends if specific conditions are met, like your submitter selecting yes for the question, do you agree to receive email communication? After the form is submitted, the email will be sent only if those conditions are met. And once you are happy and ready to set your email live, hit the Add Email button and you're all good to go. You can view your custom emails here, edit them, make a copy, or delete. We hope this video will help you save time and get back to the important things. Make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more videos and updates on everything Paperform.